Good morning. So it is a December morning. It is a little chilly outside and we're going to get our day started today. So starting off my day, I do like to head to the bathroom, get a little toothbrush and a little wiping of the face. When I'm doing this, I'm wiping my face with the Cetaphil wipes that I always rant and rave about. But after I do that, I quickly leave, go get ready to go to the gym. Most of my gym clothing is from Honor Active, and sports bras are just, whatever. But you guys, look at the progress. We love to see it. We love to see it. I'm going to start my upload of the video for the day, get my car started. One tip: if you have remote start, always do that in the winter time because it's a lot easier than walking out to a cold car. But we're gonna do that, head out, go grab our Alani. Alani is my energy drink of choice. She keeps me fueled, she keeps me motivated, and we are going to head ourselves out to the gym for the day. But I hope that you guys are ready for this fun little winter morning routine with me. Hi, welcome to a video of Vlogmas. I'm at the gym currently. It is 8:37 in the morning and I'm at the gym. Today's Wednesday. I hope that you guys are enjoying this morning routine. I'm expecting for it to be rainy when I came outside this morning. That was kind of crazy to me because it's been literally sunny and just chilly. But I'm gonna go in here and do my little gym workout, and then we are gonna head home, shower, eat breakfast, and then I have a nail appointment that I need to head to, so I'm gonna head there. One of my favorite parts about my morning routine is the gym. This year recently I started going back to the gym again, and this month makes a year consistently. Like I said, always got an Alani in my hand, and one of my favorite times in the morning is just stretching. I feel like stretching really just gives you time to unwind, time to relax your mind, all of that good stuff, and it can just be very soothing, very calming. Get a good stretch routine in also before you're doing any type of working out. I do a lot of heavy weightlifting, so it's just a lot better for me, so my muscles aren't spazzing out, Heading into our gym workout though, we are doing a nice little arm day. If you guys ever want to know what my workouts are, I do record them all in the Core Circle app, and I will leave that link in the bio. Or if you guys follow me on Instagram, you can see my workouts there as well, or have to see my workouts, I should say. But we're doing a nice little arm day, a little push-pull, as well as some cardio. Cardio ending out your workout, it's top 2, not 2 for me. I know that it sounds absolutely dreadful, but it can mostly be kind of fun. And once you get in the routine, it doesn't feel as tedious as it is, and it's just very comforting. I don't know about y'all, but I love when the numbers just become even. But we are going to head into our shower. We are doing a nice little everything shower today. So we are going to be exfoliating with the True Hut exfoliator, and then we are going to be shaving with the EOS shave gel. This is my favorite shave gel. After that, I'm gonna hit a nice little face wash and a little deep cleanse, and then we are gonna hop out of this shower and get into our face and skin routine for the day. I'm using the same products that I'm usually always using, but I will have them pop up on the screen in the order that I use them in. And here's just my little face routine. I've noticed that it doesn't look the same every single morning all the time. It kind of just depends on what I feel like my skin needs, but always put on your sunscreen. My favorite is the Trader Joe's sunscreen. We'll live and die by it, so love that. After we do our face routine, we're gonna go and make our bed, and this will be the last time that we're seeing our room for today. So we're gonna grab all our goodies and then head into the kitchen to make some breakfast. While I make breakfast, I feel like it's easier if I'm like watching something. Maybe that's my like simulation brain, I don't know, but I decided to put on a little Disney Plus while I cook my oatmeal. Lately I've been making oatmeal with some toasted walnuts and cranberries. It's giving very festive. It's giving very 'tis the season for me, but I really love it. It's a real quick, simple recipe. You know, got my little 1 minute instant oats from Quaker. Love her down. Oatmeal super simple, but I set that up for myself in the morning, and then I go and take a seat and I watch my show. I'm watching WandaVision right now, and y'all, it just really be breaking my heart every time. Okay, so that is going to be all for my winter morning routine. I'm just going to go spend the rest of my day doing what I do in the rest of the day. And yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you get notified when I post. If you want to stalk and stick around, all of my social media will be right here, as well as linked down in the bio below. Be a part of the village, be a part of the family, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.